Hello, my people. Good morning. Today I'll be teaching you how to use your trend line, how to use your trading view. Sorry, how to use your trading view. So first of all, when you wake up in the morning, you go to your trading view. Just click it. Many traders still do not know how to make use of the trading view. Well, yours is not going to be like this. Yours is going to appear like this. Just this page I am right now. This is how it's going to appear. So you navigate to the pair or search for the pair you want to choose. If it's GBP, if it's Euro, if it's BTC. So personally, I'll go to GBP JPY. Click GBP JPY. So this is how it's going to show up on your phone, on your Android phone, or your computer. So what do you do next? You look at this zone here where my hand is right now. Okay, you look at this zone where my hand is right now, where you're seeing the analog moving. You click this. After you see 5Y, or you click that four corner button. Now first of all, you have to understand that you are going to see your candle either very tiny like this or wide. You're not going to see this line. Okay, so these are my errors too. They are the lines I've been using before for trading. So you're going to see something like this. They're very tiny or very bold. Okay, you're not going to get this is all RSI. So this is what I use for my own trading. You're not going to get it on your chart. Your chart is definitely going to look like this, and you see some other indicators like volume on your chart, and wow, look at this, was a bloody mess. So, and this is how it's going to look like. Okay, this is how it's going to look like. And what do you do next? You want to first of all understand, or before now, I believe you should know what you do on your trading view. Your trading view is a space where you do your analysis for your trading. So this is how to get into your trading view. I'll restart again. I'll go back to the explanation. I said in the every morning when you wake up, you click your trading view. Sorry, let me just go back. Let me restart. In the morning, when you wake up, you come to straight to your trading view, tap your trading view, and it's going to look like this. What do you do next? You search your pair. If you want to search your pair, let's say you want to trade Canadian dollar versus US dollar, CAD, USD. This is how you search it, and it appears. You click, and boom, this is it. What you have to do next is you come to this area, you tap that button, and this is what you're going to see. So this, your right hand side, is what you use to zoom in and zoom out. The screen you use to zoom in and zoom out, just take the candle to the size you want to see them, and then boom, this is how you do your, and this is how you make use of your trading view every day. This is how you navigate. And when you want to change the pair, you can simply click the pair and search for the pair you want to search for, or just click the ones you like. Like I said, you are not always going to see these lines on your trading view. When so these were the lines I applied myself, and this is how you navigate or make use of your trading view. Peace. Amen. Yeah.